Gradients are cool. We love gradient shapes. They can be a superpower for creators like you. Ever wonder how to enhance your design skills with gradients? Hi there, this is Praveen from Picmaker. I'm here to show you how to give unique feel to your designs with gradients in Picmaker. Okay, we are on the dashboard of Picmaker. Click on any templates that you wish to use. This looks cool. I'm gonna use it. What I'm gonna do is between these two elements I'm going to add an arrow shaped gradient. If you are on templates, photos or anything, just click objects on the left hand menu bar. You'll see different design objects here, out of which we are going to explore gradient shapes. We have various forms of regular and irregular shapes with gradient colors. Just choose a shape that you like to use. I'm gonna use this arrow shape. Feel free to customize its size and color. Let's pick up something from this design itself. Yeah, this looks cool. Now I'm gonna bring this a little bit up, and in between these two elements I'm going to add this arrow. Let's rotate it. You can explore the other gradient shapes in the sidebar. For instance, you can use this. Bring it to where you want. Let's send it backward. And let's change the color. Something like this. That's it, you're done. Gradients are the most popular color trends. Your design will look stunning with our customized gradients. Use it to stand out from the crowd. Drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.